Hello! In this video, I will unbox the Divesoft Freedom and talk about its features. This is how the Freedom will look when you get it. The box is in a protective sleeve. And when you open the box, you're going to see some paperwork. You have it right here. This is the certificate. Every single Freedom is certified 300 meters at least. And this is the document of certification. You have the date and the test right here, flow temperature, and the depth reading. Right here, you have a quick reference guide. This is different for a bottom timer and decompression computer, depending on which one you have. This is what you get. Then right here, we have the unit itself, and we have a Velcro strap and a bungee strap to hold it in your hand. You get a universal charger. It fits everywhere, America, Europe, Switzerland. And this doubles as a connector to the PC. You also get a silicone protective sheath, which goes over your unit, not to scratch it or bang it up. And finally, we have the Freedom itself. The Divesoft Freedom features a full aluminum body and a very bright, visible TFT display. And if you look at the side, you will see a connection port. From this, you can connect up the Freedom to your computer, download the dive logs, and either store them on our cloud or locally on your computer. You can also use the data from your dives to see your progressions, to see the dive profile, to see everything. For the gases, it's incredibly easy to set up. You can either do it manually by entering the percentage of oxygen and helium you have in the gas, or by using our probe and measuring it yourself, the oxygen pressure inside, and sending it directly into the computer. You can also hook up your Freedom through a cable to a third-party rebreather, and then you will have the readings from your oxygen sensors inside of here, and it will count up your decompression. It will show the partial pressures every time. What is probably most interesting for most divers is that the computer does not need to be upgraded every time you go up a license. If you are a nitrox diver and you go up to Trimix, you don't need a whole new computer. You just need new software, new firmware inside. Meaning that you will never need to buy a new computer. You just upgrade the firmware. We have everything ranging from basic nitrox all the way to full Trimix, and for CCR divers, we even have CCR licenses. The computer is very intuitive to operate. We only have two buttons, which are used to scroll, which are used to go back in, as you can see in one of our previous videos, which we will link in the description down below. The Divesoft Freedom features a ZLH16 Bielmann decompression tables, as well as an adjustable gradient factors for your dives. The battery inside of the Freedom lasts from anywhere from 10 to 12 hours, but can go up if you use a screensaver. The battery is rechargeable, and it is recharged through a cable. It can be recharged through a computer or through a power adapter, which we provide. And last, but definitely not least, if you're doing a very long decompression dive, you will be very happy that we have it. We have a few games inside. We have Snake and Sokoban. And from my own experience with them, the decompression is much better than just sitting and watching the rope as you go up. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.